Donut selfie.
Ano to, donut selfie?
Okay, donut selfie.
Yung ganun.
Take it slow, but it's not typical.
Ay, ito bakit?
High finger sa kalaman.
If you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this?
Meng, ako yung gumawa ng cereal mo.
Binabasa may puso
Ako nga.
Ako yun.
Oo.
Siya nga!
Saka napanood mo yung ano, yung tatlong bibe?
Oo, ikaw din. Alam ko pag may magandang video, ikaw na yung gumagawa.
Bye-bye.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-collected preschool. 3 plus pag 3 pataas, mag-collected preschool.